So guys, to fix WhatsApp backup not working, first you want to make sure you have WhatsApp up to date. Go to the Play Store or the App Store and then search up WhatsApp. If WhatsApp has an update, it's going to tell you. Make sure that WhatsApp is up to date. Secondly, you want to make sure that your phone date and time is correct and is synced up. You want to go into your phone settings, make sure that your date and time is correct. Now, if you do have WhatsApp open, just restart it real quick. So we're just going to close WhatsApp, open it back up again. Okay, now that we're back on WhatsApp, in the top right, click on the three dots and then click on settings. Now, once we're here, click on chats and then scroll down and then click on chat backup. This page will come up. You want to select your Google account that the chats will be backed up to. If you do not have a Google account right here, you want to click on add account and then add one. Then you want to select your Google accounts. This is the important part. Now you want to click on automatic backups and then select only when I tap backup. Make sure you have this selected, only when I tap backup. And the problem should be fixed. By the way, you can also include videos if you want that to be backed up as well. And then click on backup, then it should be working for you.